Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about what are the benefits of virtual data rooms. VDRs are secure online repositories where businesses can store and share confidential documents. They are often used for high-risk transactions such as mergers and acquisition, due diligence, and fundraising. VDRs offer a number of benefits over traditional file sharing methods such as email and cloud storage. VDRs offers robust security features such as encryption, access control, and activity tracking. They also offers collaboration features such as document annotation, file versioning, and Q&A. Benefits of using VDRs. Here are some of the key benefits of using VDRs. Security. VDRs offers robust security features to protect your confidential documents. This includes features such as encryption, access control, activity tracking, and auditing. Compliance. VDRs can help you to comply with industry standard security regulation such as SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001. Collaboration. VDRs offer collaboration features that make it easy for multiple parties to work on documents together in real time. Efficiency. VDRs can help to streamline your deal process by providing a central location to store and share all of the necessary documents. Transparency. VDRs can help to increase transparency in complex transactions by providing all parties with access to the same information. Here are some specific examples of how VDRs can benefit different types of transaction. Mergers and acquisition. VDRs can help to streamline the M&A process by providing a central location to store and share all of the necessary documents, such as financial statements, legal documents, and marketing materials. VDRs can also help to facilitate communication and collaboration between all of the parties involved in M&A transaction. Due diligence. VDRs can help to speed up and streamline the due diligence process by providing investors and other interested parties with easy access to all of the relevant documents. VDRs can also help to reduce the risk of errors and omissions by ensuring that all of the necessary documents are properly organized and indexed. Fundraising. VDRs can help to make the fundraising process more efficient and effective by providing startups and other companies with a way of securely share their business plans and other confidential documents with potential investors. VDRs can also help to track investor interest and manage the fundraising process. How to choose the right VDR for your needs. When choosing a VDR, it is important to consider the following factors. Security. Make sure that the VDR offers robust security features to protect your confidential documents. Compliance. Make sure the VDR can help you to comply with industry standard security regulations. Features. Consider the features that are important to you, such as document management, collaboration features, and reporting features. Make sure ease of use. Make sure that the VDR is easy to use for both you and your team members. Pricing. Compare the pricing of different VDR to find one that fits your budget. That's all. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.